What is up, people? My name is El and welcome back to the channel. Now, I recently created a video on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana, and most of the comments that I get is that Ghana is not part of the list of countries. I don't know why. Maybe PayPal updated their platform, but in today's tutorial I am going to take a deep look at this fault and then try and solve it with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best and then subscribe. Now, there are certain things I need to educate you about PayPal. Number one is PayPal is not in Ghana, and so it's quite difficult to create a PayPal account. Even if you do create it like my methods or my videos that I show you, you are going to find it difficult to link a card to it. It's 50-50. Trust me. The only card or the only bank account that I know that can link to PayPal without any problem is Pioneer Community Federals Bank. I have a full video on that. I'll leave it down in the description. You can click on that one and watch how you can get a Community Federals bank account and use it to link to your PayPal account. And then one tip I like to advise people on is that once your money gets stuck on PayPal, you can't withdraw it. And so if you get the money, just find somewhere and withdraw it. Find someone who has a card linked to their PayPal account and then you withdraw it. Or else, after some time, PayPal will put a hold on that money and then you lose all your funds. It hurts me because most people work too hard online and then withdraw their funds, and then at the end of the day they get their funds stuck on PayPal, which is very bad. And to all those of you accusing me of bringing out wrong tutorials about PayPal and all those stuff, mind you, I don't work at PayPal. I'm just a guy on YouTube. I'm trying to manipulate with PayPal and then create the account. All right, I have an account working for more than 3 years now, so you can also do the same thing. Mind you, I don't work at PayPal. I'm just a guy on YouTube educating you on how you can get past these restrictions on PayPal. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best and subscribe. Let's dive deep into the tutorial. All right, so we might want to head on to PayPal and then click on paypal.com. now this is the home page or the dashboard for PayPal. So we basically have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then once we are there, we're going to select a USA flag. You can see other flags as well depending on your location, but click on the flag and then we're going to select UAE, which is in Asia Pacific. So let me just scroll through real quick and then select UAE. All right, United Arab Emirates, and there we have it. Click on that one. A new interface will show to you for UAE or for people in UAE. Click on open a business account. Once you are here, you'll be given the option to type in your first name, last name, your email address, and then your password as well. All right, and everything is okay here. You need to agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. So you check that one and click on agree and continue. All right, from here, you need to activate our account to start using PayPal. And so they need an ID from you. They also need you to verify your email and then some personal info about you. So this is my email that I used. So let's click on the first one, and then we're going to confirm our email. Once you click on this, we're going to paste it into a new browser, and right here I'm going to set the cookies and then type in the new password. Make sure you change your location by clicking the flag anytime you want to log in. So I clicked and then selected UAE and then typed in my password. From there, I'm going to click on log in, and this is going to log into the account. It says your email has been confirmed. Now click on continue to proceed with the account creation. Now this is your account and it needs a lot of work. All right, so from here, I'm seeing a yellow banner that says add profile info to start taking payment. So you click on that one. It's going to take you to this page where it says complete your profile to start using PayPal. So click on next. It's going to take you to where you fill in your business details. So you select business name, business type, you put in your date of birth, just do everything as I'm doing, and then you'll be good to go. So what business type is this? You select individual, and then yeah, you select individual seller for what best describes you, and then yeah, we type in our date of birth. Make sure you type in the correct date of birth. For tutorial's sake, I'm going to put in this date of birth, And then this is where most people find it difficult. Most people were saying Ghana is not part of the list of countries. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to search for Ghana. All right, I'm doing this from my iPhone. I search for Ghana and here we have Ghana. So I don't actually know why you guys are not seeing Ghana, because I'm seeing Ghana here. All right, select Ghana and then from here click on the number and I'm going to look for Ghana once again. Let's go, and then here is Ghana. All right, Ghana. So you want to type in your mobile phone number, and I think PayPal have actually changed the way we sign up to their platform, so that's why you are facing difficulties. In the PO box section, type in your location. I am in Accra, so I typed in Accra. The Emirates, change the Emirates to Dubai, and then the city, Accra Circle. So I type in Circle. All right, town in where you are living. All right, so this is it. Once you're done, click on next. This is self-explanatory, and I guess you can answer most of these questions. Now it's asking me to tell them about their business, and they're asking me for a business registration number. Here, if you don't have a business registration number, I simply would type in my mobile phone number. All right, we are using US dollar, and then what do you sell? So you select what type of product or service you offer. Now, do you have a website? Select no. You can also use your residential address as your business address by checking the option there, and then once you're done, you click on next. All right, it's going to take a while, and it says complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interruption. So here, place of incorporation. So you simply click on that one and look for Ghana. All right. So if you are in Nigeria, you select Nigeria as well, and that is how you create the account. All right, so select Ghana and you click on submit. So this is going to take a while, and then let's see. It says you are all set. All right, go to home page. All right, so we are done with the account creation, and account is valid, and then we can use the account now. Now I got a red flag on the account, and so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to head on and then go to my account homepage or dashboard. It says you are all set. Your account is ready for business. And so what we need to do here is that we need to scroll down to the bottom, and then let's see if we have a red flag. All right. So we have a red flag, and so we need to identify ourselves, and then we need to send them our ID. So what we need to do is to click on this option, and we have the account impact. We can't pay using PayPal, send money, or withdraw. We can only receive and then refund. So you scroll down and then you see upload a photo ID. Click on that one and then select the document type. I'm using a national identity card. Select that one, and then I'm going to upload a national identity card to PayPal. Right, click on browse and select photo library or whatever device you are using, and then just look for your ID. Make sure it's clear, and then import it into PayPal. Click on submit, and then we're going to wait for 24 hours, which is approximately 1 business day. And then once we wait for the account, we are going to pray that they verify the account and then give us access to use it. All right, so I'm done. Let's wait for the account to be verified, and then they lift the impact on the account. And so yeah, we are reviewing your information, and we'll get back to you regarding your status in 1 business day. All right, says you are all set. So that is how you create the PayPal account. So after waiting for probably 24 hours, approximately 24 hours, our account was verified. Okay, so you could see that this is Thursday, November 2nd, and I got the verification message 1st November. So it says your information is being reviewed. The information you submitted is currently being reviewed by PayPal. Once you have completed our review, we'll get back to you regarding the status of your account in 1 business day. Right, let me go back and then select the message that says our account has been restored. We have reviewed your information, and you provided a reference, blah blah blah, and we have removed the limitations placed. You will now be able to access features that was limited on your PayPal account. Okay, and so that's how you create the account. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.